Hey guys, I hope y'all are having a great day. I am headed into the Goodwill Outlet Bins to see what kind of treasures I can find. Let's see what's in these bins right here. Lots of popsicle sticks, picture frames. There's some skinny gold picture frames right here. What is this piece? It's actually foam and it's broken. That would have been fun to repaint, but I don't think I can fix the broken part. Is this a painting down here? Yeah, but not really my style. It's a cute little basket. Easter's over, so I do not need that. What is this? Don't know. That bin is empty. Checking out the wall now, and it looks like these bins are pretty empty. I hope we can find some stuff. I have some glassware on top, some pepper grinders, but I like the wood ones. It's like a newer piece right there. What is this piece? It is extremely heavy. I think it's a beautiful handmade pottery piece. Oh, it actually has a sticker on the bottom. Spy, but it is also broken right here, so I'm gonna have to leave it behind. I'm at the end of the wall and it looks like mostly toys. So far my cart is still empty at the bins. Just a girl building an empire. I really like this. I might have to get this and put this in my office. Looks like we got some St. Patrick's Day glittering decor. Dinosaur. Oh, this is cute. This little barn. I don't need it. I don't have kids this small. Oh, that's adorable. Hopefully somebody picks that up. Is that Melissa and Doug? Yes, it is. For St. Patrick's Day. Some bamboo shades. Alright, where's the good antiques? And, you know, they always have lots of clothing over here. Blanket. Let's see what's in these bins. We have a pillow. Gold. Actually, that almost looks like copper frame. Black, gold. Ooh, I really like this. It looks like a vintage photograph of someone kayaking in a lake, the mountains in the background. It needs to be cleaned up, and I might actually, it's distressed but not on purpose, but I might distress it on purpose. I love this. This will look amazing in a cabin, lake house, something like that. Here's a book. Oh, it's actually a faux book. That's cute. I really like the size of it. Here's an old crusty paintbrush, but it's bright plastic handle. I don't like that. Oh, here's some cute little tiny gourds. Those are adorable. Oh, look, this little pulley with the old rope. I like that too. It's another paintbrush, but again, this is plastic. But I do like the bristles on it. Little gourd. I might get those. That would be really cute in a little, maybe like a little glass jar or a glass bowl. Ooh, it looks like we have some solid wood doors right here. $12.99 for these. It looks like they have a good bit of mirrors, bed frames. I don't know what this piece is right here. It's another mirror. Here's a cute little kid's book organizer, and it is only $2.99. Alright, let's see what is on this side of the wall. I have not dug here yet. Here's a little cute little bowl, but it has a chip in it. I hope the music isn't too loud. It feels very loud in my ear. Hopefully on camera it is not that bad. Lots of toys. Ooh, what is this? That is cute. It's a little brass napkin ring. It looks like a Christmas tree to me. That'd be great to put in a little mystery box at Christmas time. It's down here. Got some gold pine cones. What's this? Oh, this is really pretty. It's like a candle ring, but it's very kind of muted brown colors. This would be absolutely gorgeous around fall time. All right, let me go put this stuff in my cart and then we'll keep looking. I saw this swivel mirror and I was like, that is so cute, but it goes up here. It's the heads that are broken off. That's adorable. I wish it was not broken. It's a frame. It's brown. It's a little bit of linen right there. I don't really need any more frames, so I think I'll leave that. Ooh, this is cute. Ooh, I love this. Little flower frame. It looks older. I don't see any chips on it. That's adorable. I'm gonna get this. What is this? I think it's a top to something. Oh, look at this. It's one of those little juicers, but it's wood and black. That is really pretty. All right, we're gonna add this to the cart. Oh, pick this up. This is for me. It's a really pretty little leather bag when I travel. I like to have all my stuff separated and organized, kind of like packing cubes. I use a bunch of random little bags that I've thrifted. Oh, actually, oh, I did not even notice all of these vintage ornaments. Oh my gosh, you gotta look at these. I was looking at this because I have some of these at my house. Y'all, these are beautiful white and gold little thread ornaments. And then look at these over here. They almost have a bluish greenish tint to them. I like all the way these look together, so I'll probably grab them and sell them as a set. They have these little, oh, can't even hold it, these little heart ones right here. I don't know if I like that. It kind of looks like a strawberry, but I do like these little decoupage ones. Here, I like the white ones. Why is there that weird flower on top though? I don't know if I like that. Okay, we have to look through all of these. I like this one too, with the ribbon on the inside. All right, I'm gonna look through here and add all the ones that I like to my cart. Oh my gosh, look, it's a little handmade book that somebody made. My Life Story, Rosemary Welsh. That's so cute. I'm sure I made books like this when I was younger. I can't believe somebody donated that. Alright, I found a Lego box that I want to buy anyway, and I put all the ornaments in there. So this is how I'm going to sell them. These will all be a set, y'all. I can't even explain how beautiful these are. I absolutely love them. And then these, I did decide to get the white hearts because they're just so pretty, and actually the flower kind of coordinates with the decoupage pattern. So I got all the ones that are good, and that's a good bit. That's probably, I don't know, it's a lot. All right, I still got some more digging to do, so let's go see what else we can find at the bins. What is that? It looks cute. It's a little luggage thing. That's adorable. It's bright pink with the little bears. Let's see what the inside looks like. It's actually in really, really good condition. The zipper works. I don't see any major stains. There's something sticky right there, but that should come off. I need to Google lens this and see what comes up. It says 1985. That was the year I was born. Alright, I Google lensed it and nothing comes up with bears. It's all a Cabbage Patch. So I don't know if you know anything about this piece, definitely leave a comment. I think I'm gonna get it. Something about it I just really love. I just found this book. I almost passed it up, but luckily I looked through it. It's filled with handmade paper, so I'm definitely gonna get this. I love using this stuff for crafts. It looks amazing with a transfer on it. You could put a stamp on it. That is a good find. What is that? A spool? Y'all, I almost passed up a spool. I think that's stuck in there, and I just made it go further in. All right, we're gonna get these two pieces, and let's see what else is in this bin that I might have missed. Here's a purple spool. That one's cute. Little black and white one. Oh, it's stuck. All right, I'm gonna have to unstick that one. I'll do that off camera so you don't have to watch me struggle. And a bunch of these little golf tees. I think this is what it's called. That is it in this bin, and this is just some toys over here. All right, I see why this twine is here, still here. Look, it is tangled in this big mess of stuff. So unless I can find some scissors in these bins, I'm probably gonna have to leave this spool here because it is not coming unstuck from this mess. Never mind, I got it unstuck. All right, this is coming home with us. We will add this stuff to the cart. Oh no, now my spool is stuck. Can I get it unstuck? I feel like this I can break it with my hands. I can do it. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for today's thrifting adventure. We got some good Christmas vintage ornaments, the sign, and all of these goodies in my cart. So leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite thing that I found today. And I will see y'all next time in my next thrifting adventure. While I'm waiting in line, I always continue shopping. So I found some clothes, but I also found these beautiful textured grain stack fabric pillows, and there's 2 of them. There is a zipper as well, so that way I can take them out and wash them. They're in an excellent condition. I don't see any stains on them. And also I'll put a total on the screen so y'all know how much I spent on this cart full of stuff. I've been adding to it since the last time I talked to y'all. You always got to keep looking because people throw so much back by the register. Look at this black puffer Calvin Klein jacket. It is an extra large, so I'm going to be picking this up for my teenage son.